Authorities in Texas can now enforce a controversial immigration law. It allows officers to arrest and deport people they suspect are in the country illegally.
It comes after the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the law today, allowing it to take effect, at least for now. ABC's Melissa Adan explains where things go from here.
A major new immigration ruling from the Supreme Court in a 6-3 decision, the justices allowing the controversial immigration law SB 4 in Texas to take effect for now, while it is challenged in the lower courts. The law gives state and local authorities broad powers to arrest migrants suspected of crossing the border illegally.
We know that many people who are caught and deported try again and again and again. The reasons here aren't important, but the important point is the state made it clear, as I read it, that if you're caught a second or multiple times, you get incarcerated.
Texas Republican Governor Greg Abbott says it's needed to address the influx of migrants, calling the court's order a clearly positive development. In a concurring opinion, conservative justices Amy Coney Barrett and Brett Kavanaugh made clear that this is not the last word. They want the lower appeals court to render its judgment first on SB 4, and then the Supreme Court can review that. In a scathing dissent joined by Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, Justice Sonia Sotomayor warned that the decision invites further chaos and crisis in immigration enforcement and deters non-citizens from reporting abuse or trafficking.
For about 100 years, the states haven't been engaged in this kind of policy, no more than they have been in printing and coining currency. But if you let the states into this area, you open up a Pandora's box, and not just in immigration.
The Biden administration has been seeking to get SB 4 struck down in a violation of federal authority. The White House disagrees with the Supreme Court's decision in a statement saying this will, quote, not only make communities in Texas less safe, it will also burden law enforcement and sow chaos and confusion at our southern border. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Los Angeles.